How to get donation button in Please Donate. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and click on Roblox.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, at the top, click on Create. In Create, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on Creations. After you click on Creations, scroll down and click on Your Place. After you've clicked on Your Place, on the left side, scroll down till you find Passes. Click on Passes and then scroll down and click on Create a Pass in here. After you've clicked on Create a Pass, add name for your pass and add description if you want. Then press on Create Pass at the bottom. After that, your pass has been created. Now, simply join Please Donate game and go to any stand and press on E on your keyboard. After you press E on your keyboard, you'll find all your donation buttons in this way. And this is how to get donation button in Please Donate. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.